lovely people, you all are welcome back to my channel. How are you doing and how is everything going with you? I hope you all are keeping safe. In case you are new here, my name is Rosemary Renders. So on today's video, I am going to do a very soft and everyday look on this our gorgeous queen. Her name is Rejoice and I call her wifey because she deserves that name. She's a very lovely and nice person. We live not far from each other here in Belgium. You know, she has been my super fan from day one on this journey on YT, you know, and from LS, from day one to the upload, she has been so supportive and I really appreciate her for that. Always there to help me. And before I forgot, she is the one behind the cornrow that I carries every time. She I don't know how to put it, she practically weaved my hair each time I call her that, babe, what's up, you know, I need to make one. She said okay, that she come, I go to her. So I want to use this medium to say a very thank you to you, Rejoice. You have been so nice to me. I don't know what I did to deserve that. You have been so nice. Thank you once again, and thanks to your hobby for not holding you back, brother Victor. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. So as you all can see, the Christmas lights behind there, this practically shows that this makeup was done last year. It was actually done towards the end of December, you know, and I've not really had time to edit it, but I managed to pull through after my premiere on my other channel yesterday. So if you don't know, I have another channel, you know, for fitness, nutrition, and a bit of family vlog. So don't hesitate to check it out and do subscribe if you like what you see. So back to our makeup. It was her wedding anniversary, so she called me asking if I can do a very subtle makeup and that she wants to do that as soon as possible. You know, I was like, okay, sure, anything for you, girl. So there and here we are fixing something soft. So some of you who has been watching my makeup videos knows the procedures. You know, I started by cleaning up the face with micellar water or baby wipes, then proceed to eyebrows. Come on, hey babes, I'm so fond of doing my brows before the entire face. I don't know why. I think it's first up for me. I don't know. No, maybe I will try working on the face before the eyebrows and see how the outcome will be, how long it will take, and if it's easy or not. So in case you're wondering what palette did I use Modern Renaissance by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade of Tempera as my base, followed by Burnt Orange at the crease corner, and then Cypress Umber to give the effect of browny smoky at the outer corner of the eyes. And then the other palette is Rock and Royal by Revolution Pro in the shade of Majesty and Glide mixed together. I use it at the edges of the cutted crease and further add Noble, the one in bluish color, and towards the tear dots I use Knighted and then Aristocrat as the tear dots. You'll be wondering what am I doing. Actually, to be quite honest, I don't like the way you see the area I'm cleaning. I don't like the way it is, the color, everything. So I had to gently take it out, and this is a perfect example in case you are making someone up, or you're making yourself up, and at a point in time you don't like it, or there's something wrong and you're wondering how you're going to do this, just take your time. Use a pointed cotton board. If you don't have any, just use your normal cotton board, but the best one is the pointed one. Okay, use it, dip it inside micellar water or whatever cleansing product that you're using. Use it, dip it there, and gently take out the area that you don't want. Just the area, take it out, instead of taking the whole thing that you have applied. Instead of taking all of them out, take that area out, and then reapply your concealer and your primer in that particular area, and then go forward to apply the color. So as you all can see, they all look the same, no difference, you know. Instead of me taking the whole of the eye look out, I had to use that cotton board and the micellar water to take out the area, and then continue. For waterline, I use a black pencil as usual, and further use the smudged brush to blend it so well. And after that, I go ahead and apply the Cypress Umber mixed with burnt orange from Anastasia Beverly Hills palette to use to give it a dark brownish instead of black water eyeliner. So I kind of use that to give it that brownish look there. Now that we have achieved our eye look, very soft, very subtle, bluish, pinkish, purplish, we move forward to do the rest of the face, starting by cleaning it using baby wipes, you know, taking out excess shades that fell on her face from the eyeshadows. Then afterwards, we go ahead to apply our moisturizer and primer. Then move to the foundation. The foundation I use is Maybelline. I'm going to leave it at the description box in case you want to get it. It's affordable, you know, and it does the work so perfectly fine. It's a full coverage, you know. When you use it, you don't really need to use concealer to conceal anything before, although she doesn't have any pigmentation on her face, but it's so nice, you know, as you can see. So that was the foundation I used. That's all. So just watch as usual. We apply our foundation, further apply the powder, the concealer, and contouring, so forth. So just watch it and leave your opinion at the comment section, you know, and I will attend to all of them. You know, let's see how the end will be. As you all can see, it's coming out so lovely. But tell me what you think, okay? to fix the lashes, in case you want to know how I fix the lashes, I have a separate video I made on how to fix lashes. I'm going to leave the link. Just go to the link if you want to learn how to fix your lashes without any stress. Watch it and I'm sure you will grab one or two things. So this is the end result. What do you all think? Do you like it? If you do, do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up. Share it to your loved ones, especially those or your friends, those who are struggling to apply their makeup or eyeshadow. I hope you were able to grab one or two things on this video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for my returning subscribers, and thank you for the new subscribers. I do really appreciate you all. Thank you, and I will catch you up again in my next video. Bye.